Availability automation allows you to limit the availability of a store item, whether it's a physical or digital product. You can even customize what shows to customers when the item is sold out. Start by going to your store and selecting the item you want to manage. Toggle the availability automation feature on. You'll see an option to set the total number of items available. With each successful sale, this number will automatically decrease. You can choose whether or not to display the availability to your customers, and even set up email alerts for when the item runs out of stock. You have two options for what is shown to customers once the item is no longer available. You can unpublish the item, or you can leave the item in your store and show a customizable label that's shown to the customer. When an item is out of stock, your site visitors will see your label and comment. Contact us via the live chat if you have any questions about this or any other features.